Every Tsum is unique in every way. They are a very special species. They love to discover indoors and outdoors almost every day. Whee! But eventually, on these rural discoveries, not everybody gets along. Whee! Whee! Woohoo! This is Tsum Kingdom. Every Tsum is very special, but not everyone gets along, and they start arguing eventually one day. Take, for example, these two little troublemakers warring over a drum set toy. The Alpha Tsum, however, does not like this misconception. Watch as she trusts her lucky sidekick to make sure the Tsums get along. Oh dear, it appears that this little fellow was in the wrong place at the wrong time. Huh? The chase is on. Fiercely powered and humongous in size, this gigantic snowman is chasing after this Piglet Tsum. Run. Desperate to get away from this snowy titan, this little Tsum runs as fast as he can. An unimpressive 0.3 miles per hour. While the giant snowman could run an impressively 11 miles per hour, which is faster, but the little Tsum is trying his best. Then he found somewhere to hide. The Tsums desperately catch up to him to make sure he's okay, but they watch out for the snowman too, to make sure they don't get chased along. The feasts are more than rivaled with the cunning of the Tsum. This Piglet Tsum is a bit too overwhelmed, but luckily, help finally arrives. In this rare phenomenon, we see the Tsums stacking up to make sure to find their best friend refuge. But the amount of stacking cannot sustain so long as the male snowman attacks. Our former foes have no choice but to make amends. Watch as they both each try to make a scrumptious dish to distract the wicked snowy beast. They hurry and go as fast as they can. Again, An impressive 0.3 miles per hour is not enough, but they try their best. Stitch mixes the ingredients, and now that they're all mixed, he just has to whisk them. Time is running out due to the cunning of the Tsum. Phew, finally finished. Now, Stitch has to spill the dish into that blue bowl Sebastian has. In this moment, the fate of the Tsum Tsum is left to chance. Will this aluminum canister of freshwater snowman kibble save the day? No. Here we go again. Man. Seriously. Why do they scream so loud? Huh?